Hello class, open your books at page 124. Have a look at this page. Today we have the exam to prepare for Cambridge exam. Okay, so have a look at this part. First read about the exam because you have to match keywords and phrases. You have some tips about the exam, what you have to do. Then in exercise 1, before you do the task, you have to read this short text about capoeira and then decide if A or B matches the text and why doesn't the other one match. Okay, not only decide which one matches, but decide why the other one doesn't match. Then you're going to read a tip before doing the task, and you are going to look at the questions in the task and find the key words and phrases in each question. Have a look at the questions. You have to find here the key phrases, the key words in each question, so it's easier for you to match to the different names. And in the last exercise, you are going to try to do the task. You are going to match the questions to the people A to D. So have a look at this. You have 4 people here. Jan from Taiwan, Mika from Japan, Nader from Egypt, and Katie from Britain. So you have 4 people. And you have to match those people with the question. So for example, in question number 1, you have which person has a hobby that didn't used to be popular with men until recently? Which person? Jan, Mika, Katie, Nader. So read the text and decide which person has a hobby that didn't used to be popular with men until recently, okay? It can be more than one person. So for example, for number 1, you can have Jan and Katie. For example, you can repeat the names, okay? So be careful with that because you can choose the people more than once, okay? More than once. So you may have, for example, you have 10 questions, but you have only 4 people. So maybe for number 1 and for number 10 and for number 6, Jan is the correct answer, okay? So you're going to match the person with each question. So one person, each question. But the same person can be repeated in more than one question. So have a look at the questions, have a look at the keywords, the key phrases, and then match them with the correct person, okay? Good. So that's today's class. Hope to see you in our next video conference. Bye-bye.